Hello guys, today I cooked meat sauce with spaghetti. I will show you the whole process. To cook meat sauce I used this pressure cooker. Hey guys, these are ingredients, so let's start. Spaghetti 500 grams, 2 diced medium onions, 2 grated large carrots, ground turkey 1 pound, peppercorn, bay leaf, steak, spices, salt, parsley, dill, paprika, 10 vegetable cocktail juice 300 milliliters based on tomato juice. Pressure cooker. If you don't have one, I strongly suggest you to get one. Okay guys, the carrot you need to peel off. Here I use this kind of a tool, very useful. So it's very easy to peel off the most of vegetables. Okay, grate the carrot. Peel off onion. Dice the onion. Heat the frying pan. Add some vegetable oil. Add diced onions and cook for 3-4 minutes until slightly soft. Add grated carrots and cook for another 3-5 minutes until they start to soften. Technically, we can cook the flavor base in the pressure cooker. I prefer to cook the flavor base in the frying pan because I have better control over the heat and it's less steamy and it doesn't stick to the bottom as it sticks in a pot in the pressure cooker. Versus preparing the flavor base in the pressure cooker, last time I cooked it, it was making a lot of vapor into my face and it was sticking a lot to the bottom in that pot. Also, when you choose saute mode on a pressure cooker, you don't have the control over the heat, it's just on or off. It's almost ready, but we can finish it in pressure cooker. Here I set saute. We're gonna wait until it will be hot. We're gonna add vegetable oil and next we'll complete here the flavor base. And to complete the preparation of the flavor base, I will add a lot of spices, steakhouse spices, ground pepper, salt, parsley, paprika. Okay, so the flavor base is ready. You should scratch the bottom to remove any bits of the food stuck to it. Now I will add the cocktail juice. Now I will brown the ground turkey. That's it, guys. I made it on a high heat. I cancel saute. I turn on pressure cook. Later we will adjust that setting. I will add soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of vermouth. It's time for the final taste check. Until you add meat, you can taste it. It should be a little bit over seasoned because you're gonna add another pound of ground meat there. I will add a bit of salt, a bit of this one, and ground pepper. And now, to build up the vapor in the pressure cooker, I will add a cup of hot water. Now I will stir it. And it's time to add the ground meat. Stir it well. Add the bay leaf. Close the lid. Check the valve, it's in seal position. And here I will cancel it. Set pressure cooker again. 10 minutes, high pressure, that's alright, and I cancel keep warm. That's it. So once it will build up the pressure, it will start to cook. Because when you set 10 minutes, it's cooking time, but it doesn't show you how long it will take to build up the pressure. So it will take about 20 minutes maybe, it depending from the temperature of the food inside of the pressure cooker. Okay guys, so it's done. 30 minutes later I will check if there is the steam there. Apparently not. Also there is a kind of a, how I can call this, a valve. Yeah, so if there is no steam, it will fall inside. This is how it looks. Now I will cook spaghetti. I will put to boil 3 quarts of water in 5 quarts pot, and when it's boiling I will add spaghetti in the pot. Okay guys, now we need to change the heat to at least 8 and stir it so it will not stick to the bottom or to each other. Here on the package you can find how long you should cook. In my case it's 7 minutes, so I set timer at 7. And we can add some salt as well. Stir occasionally. Once it will float, you can leave it to finish the cooking. Actually, I will add a little bit more to the heat. Okay guys, I will use this colander to strain the water this way. There is another way as well, like you put it there and you strain spaghetti this way. Today we're gonna try this. I will add some vegetable oil, about like 2 tablespoons. I put the cover, stir like that, and leave it for about 5 minutes under the cover. This is what it looks like, meat sauce with pasta on a plate. On the right you can see my homemade sauerkraut, which is also very delicious. So yes, my next video will show you how to prepare homemade sauerkraut. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment under my video to support my channel. Peace.